Honey may look simple, but its journey is incredible. It all begins with bees, flying from flower to flower. Collecting sweet nectar, they carry it back to the hive, where it's passed between bees and slowly transformed inside the honeycomb. The nectar thickens, becoming rich golden honey. The bees then seal it, locking it safely inside wax cells. When the time is right, beekeepers carefully collect the honeycomb and extract the honey inside. It flows out slowly, smooth, thick, and golden, filtered and poured into jars. And just like that, what started as flower nectar becomes honey. Continue watching to see the process, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.
The worker bee diligently delivers its payload, the sweet nectar essential for the colony's survival. Deep within the comb, the nectar thickens, transforming into the sustenance of the colony.
The beekeeper gently scrapes away the propolis, revealing the intricate structure of the comb beneath.
This delicate process, known as uncapping, reveals the pristine, thick honey stored by the colony. Bathed in golden sunlight, this is the purest essence of the hive, cascading slowly into the light.